EPS 95 Higher Pension Cases Supreme Court Order. Very important information for 67 lakh EPS 95 pensioners about EPS 95 pension cases Supreme Court Final Order. EPS 95 pensioners. There is a big news for every EPS 95 pensioners. If you want to listen this type of news firstly, then you should subscribe our channel and also press bell icon, because in this channel we provide you true and latest news given by EPFO for every EPS 95 pensioner. So friends, let's start it to the point. There are numerous sales from the numbers asking about various drafts on EPS 95 higher pension cases. To avoid calls, I would like to mention the following clarification for the information of the members. The fake news. On social media, there are some fake news messages being circulated. Please don't rely on any unauthorized news message. Don't rely on any fake news messages. The judgment. It is 90% expected that the judgment or pension on actual salary may come any time on or before 26 August 2022, as Justice U. Lalit is going to be CJI from 27th August 2022. In case the judgment is not pronounced by the above date, the judgment has to be given before 8th November 2022. As Justice U. Lalit is going to be retired on 8th November 2022, the judgment will be definitely in favor of EPS 95 pensioners in view of the following. The R.C. Gupta judgment, which is the landmark judgment in favor of EPS 95 pensioners, cannot be reversed as there is no appeal against the R.C. Gupta judgment. The judgment in more than 1,000 right petitions in various high court are in favor of EPS 95 pensioners. All the 11 appeal of EPFO are dismissed in the Supreme Court and are in favor of EPS 95 pensioners. Pension is the right and not a bounty is the verdict in the judgment in one of the Supreme Court cases. Constitutional right rules over financial viability. The government cannot take shelter of financial viability to evade the social media security of EPS pensioners. The EPS scheme is not a contributory pension scheme as submitted by EPFO, but the EPS pension scheme is defined pension scheme. RTI information and supplied to EPS 95 pensioners advocates from time to time. EPS 95 pensioners senior advocate and AOR have performed excellently during arguments. The NCR and NCOA have played an excellent role in the EPS cases. The KHCJ respondents also performed excellently during arguments. Joint option forms. Most of the members have submitted joint option forms in the concert offices, and most of the forms are forwarded to the zonal office for onward transmission to EPFO. But still there may be some members who have not submitted their joint option forms so far. May submit the joint option forms immediately to the concerned offices in view of the forthcoming judgment. So EPS 95 pensioners, this is the news and I hope you like it. If you want to listen this type of EPFO update firstly, then you should subscribe our channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon.